In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work offline with Microsoft Teams, kind of. Now, Microsoft Teams is a fantastic tool for collaboration, offering many features to keep you connected with your team. However, there are times when you might want to appear offline, whether it's to focus on your work without interruptions or to enjoy a little peace. Today, I'll walk you through how you can set your status to appear offline. While this doesn't mean you'll be working offline per se, it allows you to create a semblance of space when you need it. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Microsoft Teams website and enter your login details. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your Teams interface. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where your profile icon is located. Clicking here is your gateway to updating your availability status. Next, click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu showing various options regarding your account. Among these options, you'll notice an area that shows your current status. Your status could be set to available, busy, or any other option you might have selected previously. Clicking here lets you manage your online visibility, which is what we'll do next. Once you've clicked on your current status, a menu will appear with all the various status options that are available to you. This menu helps you communicate your availability to your team. Whether you're hard at work or stepping away from your computer, setting this accurately keeps everyone informed. For today's task though, we're going to focus on achieving a little invisibility. From this list, look for the option labelled Appear Offline and select it. Choosing Appear Offline effectively sets you into stealth mode within Microsoft Teams. To everyone else in your team, it seems as though you're not online at all. This is perfect for when you want to dive into deep work without the buzz of constant notifications or messages, but remember, you're still able to send messages or participate in calls. There you have it. You're now all set to work without the virtual knocks on your door. Just remember, when you're ready to re-engage with your team, you can change your status back to available or any other option that suits your needs. This method offers a simple yet effective way to create personal time while remaining digitally present. Wishing you a productive day ahead, and if this tutorial helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your workflow.